This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the exact error and scope. Is it one site or many? Clear your browser cache and cookies, then open a private window to rule out local data. Restart your router and device to refresh your public IP. Keep a note of the IP address shown before and after the reboot. Once done, attempt the site again. If the problem persists, don't panic. You've eliminated the simplest client-side causes and collected useful diagnostic details for the next steps. Now dig into network and account factors. Check your public IP against blacklist databases and note any matches. This explains why traffic is blocked. Temporarily disable VPN or proxy, or switch to a mobile hotspot to see if access returns. This isolates whether your network or ISP is the problem. At the same time, log into the affected account from another network and review any site messages or emails about policy violations. Once done, you'll know whether the block is IP-based, device-based, or account-related, and can take targeted action. Finally, take restorative actions and prepare to appeal. If the IP is blocked, ask your ISP for a new address or use a reputable VPN. If the device is flagged, reset browser profiles and flush DNS. Contact the site's support with your public IP, exact timestamps, and a list of troubleshooting steps you've tried. This makes appeals faster and more likely to succeed. If access still fails, test from another region or device. Run a full malware scan to ensure no malicious activity caused the block, and follow any guidance support provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.